I love this serum because it also has some vitamin C and also to clear the the acne scars and all that. I love it. My face has been breaking out, sometimes they just like, I don't know, the acne and the scars, they're just too much. But I'm here to shop for my skincare, my face care products. Taking this CeraVe acne foaming cream cleanser. It's really good, like it has some 4% benzoyl peroxide and it's good for acne treatment. And also I'm going for the CeraVe retinol serum. I love this serum because it also has some vitamin C and also to clear the the acne scars and all that. I love it. And for my moisturizer as well, I'm going for this Biodana. So I think because my face is sorted, and before forgetting, guys, I'm going for my sunscreen. Sunscreen is light. I don't want to come January, my face is looking, I don't know how. So this is what I have for today. I'm done shopping for my skincare, ready. This acne is going to know me. They should go where they've come from. So next I'm going to be given that first bit. Come with me. Sijui kama nakumbuka nishachukua zile za kitambo. I think I'll go for this. Which one? In a capsule.
Yeah, in a capsule.
Maureen from H&K just snatched that look. I feel so good, I feel like, the girlish thing, the girl vibe. J girl. And I really enjoyed actually like her. She did it so fast, and I realized when someone does your makeup, I don't know, it just pops out well, and also not just anybody, a pro. It feels so good, and it feels so good, to be pampered, and you just know the end product will pop out well. The person who snatched, the person who gave me this look, the person who made me look this glamorous, she's here. Maureen, tell my people something.
Hi guys, subscribe to her YouTube channel.
So much, my YouTube family. You people are just the best. Like, it has been a tough year, and I can't complain. Like, so far so good. As much as it has been bad, it has also been good. And also, like, I'm grateful for my for my family here. Like, the numbers have been increasing. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to better things ahead. I'm looking forward to collaborate with more YouTubers. I'm looking forward to explore, to give you guys the best thing here. And as we approach, the new year, I'm hoping we're going, we keep on going. Thank you so much. Love you all. Wish you a prosperous new year.